How to change highlight cover in Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the newsfeed page on Instagram. On this page, tap on the bottom right corner of your profile icon. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Tap on the highlight you want to edit. In the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots to open the menu. From the options, select Edit Highlight. Then tap on Edit Cover at the top of the screen. You can either select a new cover from your existing highlight stories or tap on the photo icon to upload a new image from your camera roll. Tap on Done. Once you're happy with the new cover, tap on Done to save your changes. And there you have it. Your Instagram highlight cover is now updated. So, by following these steps, you can change highlight cover in Instagram.